morning everyone, and welcome back to the Falcon 64 project. Today I have a little project for you, removing the window trim out of a 64 Falcon, and this will also remove the secondary trim that goes up against your drip rail. The drip rail I'm going to make a separate video on, so I'm not ready for that yet. But anyways, I wanted to start off with this. This is going to be a short little video. You start off, there is a bunch of Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips, and you just remove all these. I tried to get these all loosened up, so I didn't run any real issues with them. And they go on up. There's a couple up here in these corners somewhere. You just gotta find them. Tell you what, this camera's having a hard time. Spin it around. There's another one right here somewhere. Maybe not. Yep, there it is. There it is. Once you get past this corner, I don't believe there's any more in here. And this just pulls right on out. So that is that for that. Now, if you go back on up here, there's Phillips up in here, all the way down and around to get this off. Hopefully they come out all right. The other side was a pain in the butt. I still got one in there, and I have not been able to get it out yet. These seem to be coming out all right. Always one. I'll bring you right back. Alright everyone, I got it off. What I ended up doing is grinding the head of that one screw off. What the screws look like. So it's a simple. Now I gotta figure out how to get the tip out. As you can see, I got a lot of rust going on in here, so it's gonna take a lot of cleaning up. Some paint. Need to find that. That's right there. And we'll go from there. So like I said, the drip rail will be another video coming up. Should be fairly simple. just roll it up and over on this and just work it all the way down once you get it popped off. But that'll be another video. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. I forgot, on this little window edge here, I just take my flathead screwdriver and kind of pop it out. All it is two little tangs that go, two on the outside and one on the inside that goes in a hole, and they just pop right out. I'm not worried about this because I'm going to replace these. These are old as hell. So anyways, I just wanted to include that last little part in there. How to remove these. I'm pretty sure this is how they come out of the driver's side door. I haven't done those yet. But my plan is to leave that rear window in there when I sit there and paint. That way I can just tape off the window itself and rock on from there. Anyway, it's just that simple to get those out. Not a big deal. Alrighty, again, have a good day.